Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to clean Hyundai Sonata engine. Start by letting the engine cool completely and removing debris by hand or with compressed air. Cover electrical components like the alternator and battery with plastic bags. Use a gentle degreaser and a soft brush to loosen grime, rinsing gently with low-pressure water. Dry components with compressed air or microfiber towels before reconnecting the battery and inspecting for leaks. Begin by testing degreaser on a small area to ensure no discoloration or damage occurs. Work in sections, applying product and agitating with a soft brush around greasy zones like valve covers and accessory mounts. Rinse each section thoroughly with low-pressure water to prevent forcing contaminants into connectors or seals. Repeat stubborn areas as needed, then dry thoroughly and remove protective coverings before a final inspection and battery reconnection. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your workshop, so you can time cleaners, play tutorials, or keep hands-free instructions while you work. It's compact and easy to place near your garage workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After cleaning, apply a plastic-safe dressing to engine covers and trim to improve appearance without attracting dust. Check all hose clamps and electrical connections for tightness and inspect belts for cracking or fraying. Reconnect the battery and start the engine, listening for abnormal noises and watching for warning lights on the dash. If anything seems off, shut down and troubleshoot before driving to ensure safety and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.